Can you tell us more about your book?
Uh, Actually, if you notice,
Ano yung tanong?
you have there the ano, no, you have the flyer. My slogan is no longer bagong Pinoy, bagong pag-asa. We changed that already. This is an old tarpaulin. Binago na namin to. Ang nilagay na namin dyan is bagong istorya. So, ang kinuha naming parang campaign slogan, campaign theme is bagong istorya. And why bagong istorya? In fact, people have become curious about that. Bakit bagong istorya? Because actually we want to bring out the new story of the Filipino and the new story of our people. The story of the Filipino who has faith on the Filipino. Yung naniniwala sa Filipino, naniniwala sa kaya ng Filipino, na yung tingin niya sa bawat Filipino ay kapatid, Muslim ka man, Kristiyano ka man, na naniniwala na kaya natin gawing dakilang Pilipino sa mata ng mundo at yun. So that's why bagong istorya siya. Why book? Ito po yung book. The message of this book is just really very simple. That we are the builders of our own greatness. That we write our own story as a people. And therefore, if you want our country to become great, if you want the Philippines to become respectable, if you want the Philippines to become a world-class citizen in the eyes of the world, then we have to do something about it. So, the name, the dignity, and the greatness of the Filipino lies in our hands as a people. So, ibig sabihin, itong 12 little things every Filipino can do to help our country, these are small acts of patriotism, small acts of heroism every Filipino can do to help our country. So yun, essentially, no? Ano siya I really believe na kahit mahirap na Pilipino, may magagawa siya para sa bansa natin. Mayaman ka man, nasa ibang bansa ka man, may magagawa ka pa rin. That's why, in the past 4 years, I've been also invited to speak in several communities abroad, the Filipinos, because they too, they want to do something to help our country. So, the essence is really that, no? Small acts of heroism, small acts of patriotism for our country. And so far, it has really connected with the people. Tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, maniwala mo kasi hindi. In the past 4 years, every year, umabot ng 200 yung speaking invitations ko. Different groups. Walang press release, walang promotion. On their own lang talaga. No? So, ang ibig sabihin, they love this country and they want to do something. So, nung nakita nila, 12 little things, kaya ko rin to. So, ginagawa rin nila. Pero, minomodify nila. Binabago nila yung iba, no? So, halimbawa, 12 little things, ginagawa nila 15 little things. Teachers. Ang dami nang lumabas Teachers. 12 little things teachers can do to help our country. Sa Ateneo, 12 little things every Atenean can do to help Ateneo in our country. Ang mali lang ng konti doon dahil nauna yung Ateneo kaysa sa our country. Lasal also came up with something like that. And St. Paul also came up with something. Siliman also came up with something like that. So parang nag-ano lang siya. So little things. Ano siya, it's about small acts but great faith. Great faith that with the little things that we do, we just have to believe that the big change will come. Because essentially, all the change that we see in the world, in history, they all start small changes. Diba? Yung snow, yung landslide, bago siya naging landslide, it's a, what do you call this? Ano lang siya, nag-snowball siya, maliit na mga, nag-gather siya nagpipick up siya ng other things along the way, hanggang sa palaki ng palaki, and eventually, before you know it, it's already a landslide. All change really begins small. So, all the big change that we need in our country really start small somewhere. So, we just have to have faith na all these small things that we do will eventually create the big change that we have been looking for in our country. So, ako, I'm a believer in that. In fact, if you recall, there was that famous book by Malcolm Gladwell, The Tipping Point. That Tipping Point, if you read that, actually I was reading that book when I was writing this book. I was reading that, and from cover to cover, that story of Tipping Point is the story of small changes. Small changes. How the small changes resulted in the big changes that we want. There was one story there, na I think it was in America, na a group of doctors, they were trying to find a way to raise the awareness level of the members of community kung saan mataas yung diabetes. So, ang ginawa ng mga doctors, nagbigay sila ng seminars. Ang daming umattend. Ang daming umattend. For how come, nag-offer na sila na, okay, after ng seminar, go to the hospital and we'll give you free medicine and we'll give you free something pa. But after the seminar, less than 20% of those who attended went to the hospital. And so the doctor said, kung worried sila about yung level ng diabetes sa society nila, how is it kung hindi lang ang pumunta sa hospital? Alam niyo yung ginawa nila? The next time, they conducted again a seminar, but this time around, they provided a map kung paano pumunta doon sa hospital. So, nung nag-provide sila ng map, nakita ng mga audience, ito pala, this is how to get to the hospital. Instead of 20% lang of the attendees in that seminar pumunta, more than 80% went to the hospital. Why? Because of the map. Because they provide that little detail of the map made a big difference. Without the map, kung hindi alam ng tao paano pumunta doon, hindi sila pupunta kasi hindi nila alam eh. Pero with that little map na provide ng organizers of that seminar, eventually tumaas yung pumunta sa hospital because they know already how to go to the hospital. So, little things, no? Little details.